Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to multiply by y squared for the both sides. Next, we see that we have y to the power of 3 and y squared with first derivative of y. We can apply about Bernoulli equation. So I will put about v equals to y to the power of 3. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have dv over ds equals to 3y squared, and we have first derivative of y. After we do first derivative of y to the power of 3, this one we change by v, y squared first derivative of y, and number 3 we change by this one. Next, we need to divide both sides by s. We have v and first derivative of v. We can use about integrating factor. So we can use about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration of negative number 2 over s ds. The integration of this one, we have negative number 2 ln s. Later that negative number 2 go inside about natural law in here. And this one we have s to the power of negative number 2, and we can write into 1 over s squared. That means we multiply both sides by this one. So this one we can write into number 2 over s to the power of 3. This one you got about number 1. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can apply about the product rule of derivative. So first derivative of y, that is about first derivative of u multiplied by v plus first derivative of v multiplied by u. So if we look carefully about this one, this is about first derivative of u multiplied by v. This one, that's about first derivative of 1 over s squared multiplied by u. So if we do this integration, you got about y equals to uv. That means this one you got about v over s squared. The integration of the s, you got about s, and I will put about c. That's about the constant. Later that we multiply both sides by s squared. About v, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.